Sightseeing.
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Treating every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you. Yeah, we should share a backseat in a taxi to get home. No need for either of us at this point to sleep alone. 'Cause I don't like.
It's our day 4 here in Osaka. Today is our free day. We really allotted the free day for us to do anything. It was supposed to be Kyoto day today. However, we felt really tired after all the shenanigans that we've been doing here in Osaka. So we opted to do our free day today. So it's a pretty chill day. Ang itinerary lang natin is to just walk around Dotonbori, buy some pasalubongs. We will also check some of the restaurants here in the Namba area. By the way, guys, today is a Thursday. It's November 21st. Weather forecast says that it's mostly sunny today. And true enough, kasi ang taas ng araw, guys. But I don't mind it. Pleasant naman yung weather. Dito tayo naglalakad sa kabilang side ng river, guys. Yan, ang ganda niya in the morning. Na yun yung Don Quixote. Tapos yung sa kabila is yung Glycosine. I've been wanting to try this. Kahit hindi pa kami kumakain ngayon, pipila na tayo. I-take advantage natin na walang pila. Ang bango din kasi, guys. Sa 500 to 600, may 400 yan yung basic lang. Siguro that's what we will get. Yung basic na melon pan. Tumabi lang tayo sa gilid para matry natin. Mainit pa siya. Melon pan. Look at that. Kamukha niya yung tinry natin sa Hong Kong. And masarap yun. So, hopefully masarap dito. Ito, yung outer layer niya very crispy. And yung taste niya is buttery and milky. Tapos yung loob niya very airy. This is really a nice light snack. Busin na lang natin siya. And then, kain na talaga tayo. It's only 12:07, guys. But, ang dami na agad tao dito sa Dotonbori area. Nagsistart na rin magbukas yung mga food stalls. And the tourists are already coming in. What a pleasant day to just walk around and do nothing. Kahit yung itinerary nyo is walk lang or sightsee just around this area, ang dami nyo pa rin makikita and mapupuntahan. Dito na tayo in front of Yakiniku Lake. Guys, itong Yakiniku Lake is just right outside the Namba exit. Ayan siya, yung exit 25. Yakiniku set menu. Ayan siya. Ito yung price niya. Ito yung pinakamura. Beef ribs and skirt steak. Parang okay na tayo. It comes with rice, kimchi, soup, and onion na, guys. So, ito guys yung pinili ko. Beef ribs and short plate sliced beef set. Here's our order. So, meron tayong kimchi, coarse rice, comes with soup, our choice of beef. Yung pinili natin is brisket and beef slice. Tapos here, merong condiment sa gilid. Then, meron ditong baso. Dito nyo lang ipa-place yung baso ninyo. Coarse red chili and soy sauce. Beef brisket. Try ko muna siya on its own. Ang lasa niya, guys, hindi siya normal na samgyeopsal. Ang sarap ng marinade nila. So, ito naman, try ko with the red chili. Itadakimasu! Try din natin yung kimchi nila. I'll put some on my rice. Okay na ba to? Okay na ito. This is a thick piece. I'll try to dip it in the soy sauce. So far, guys, I like the brisket the best. This is our total, guys. 3,010 yen. Dadalhin nyo lang tong nasa table nyo. Tapos scan nyo lang yung QR para makapagbayad. So, I also do recommend it. Ang sarap ng marinade nila, guys. Hindi siya yung parang normal samgyupsal sa atin. Kung sanay kayo sa Anli sa atin, hindi siya ganon. Naka-set meal siya. It was a pretty good lunch. Now, we're headed to the Mega Donkey naman, guys. Marami kami nadadaanan ng mga drugstore selling chocolates. And we're trying to compare the prices. That's why we'll go to the Mega Donkey to see kung mas mura. We're outside the Mega Donkey, guys. Ang ganda na ref mag na to, guys. Parang ito yung gusto ko para sa bahay. Meron din dito mga Casio watch na pwedeng ipampasalubong. Yung mga simple lang. 1,990. We have reached the area for skincare. I wanna get some for my sister and my mom. Ito yung magandang Sisi Milano. Hindi ko na-research ahead of time yung mga magagandang skincare galing Donkey. But I have quite an idea kung ano yung mga gusto kong i-pick up. Meron silang tax-free if you reach a certain amount. So, we'll maybe buy everything that I want now para ma-tax-free natin. Let's look for skincare for my mom, my sister, and also some of the people that I want to give pasalubong to. I really want to get a Heroin Make mascara here. Ang dami nilang Heroin Make products dito, guys. Ito naman yung makeup section, guys. Ito ay Wake Make. Oh, this is a Korean brand. So, they also carry mga Korean brands dito, guys. May nakikita akong mga girls na may dalang basket. So, hanapin ko kung saan nila nakukuha yung basket. This section is parang Korean cosmetics. Let me show you. Yan yung prices. 1,200, 1,400 yen. Nagtanong ako, guys, kung saan ako pwedeng humingi ng basket. Oh, yeah. Arigato. May basket na tayo para hindi mahirap magbit-bit. So, let's go and shop. Ito, guys, Hada Labo. Gusto kong bilan kasi si mama na parang toner. 800 yen. Parang gusto kong pumili nitong mga cute na characters. Si My Melody. Ayan, si Kuromi. Pochako. Diba, ang cute pamigay. Ito, Pompurin. Ayan. Ang cute. Ito, guys, itong Softy mo na Speedy Cleansing Oil. Maganda daw to. Ito, guys, ay 698 yen. If budget is not an issue for you guys, shopping here would be amazing. Guys, ito, meron din sila nung Senka na 6 na piraso na 2,780 yen kapag may tax. Ito, guys, isang piraso nito sa Pilipinas, 280 pesos. Na rin ako nitong Fino hair mask, guys. Guys, look who I found here in Don Quixote. It's New Jeans. Mga lip products naman.
These Nivea lips are only sold in Japan.
I'll pick up one. Sabi dito sa advert, sobrang benta daw nito sa Japan.
2 Nivea lipsticks you should get in Don Quixote.
Let's put this in our basket as a maybe. Soju in a packet. Soju on the go. Ang kulit. Very nifty. Ayan. Ito mga sabon-sabon na to sa bahay. So, punta na tayo dun sa kabila. Guys, tingnan nyo. Ang ganda nito. Wrinkle Q10 na hand cream. Parang okay din to kay mama. Ito, guys, pala yung price niya. 980 yen. Guys, kita nyo ba tong cloud? Dito, 5,500 yen lang. So, around 2,000 pesos. Sa atin, mga nasa 3,000 to 4,000 yata yung Ariana Grande Cloud. Cloud really is the cult favorite for a reason. Bango. Tapos, may iba din dito mga Japanese scents. Yung mga scent profile nila, more on sweet and fresh smelling lang. Bango sila, guys. Guys, umakyat na tayo dito sa third floor. Nandito yung mga parang snacks and food, mga gifts. So, ayan, meron tayong mga snacks. Hanap tayo dito ng mga pwedeng pasalubong sa office. Nasa 7th floor na tayo. And ito na yung parang pharmacy nila. Hindi ko na siguro masyadong i-vlog kasi may mga pupuntahan pa naman kami. But magbabayad lang kami and then we'll go na. We'll be heading to Ebisubashi Suji and Shinsaibashi Suji to check out other stores. Siguro babalikan din namin yung nakita naming drugstore kung saan mas mura bumili ng mga chocolates, KitKats, Alfort para medyo mas tipid. Kasi we compare the prices, medyo mas mahal by what? 10 to 12 yen per piece yung dito sa Donkey. So, sayang naman yung matitipid natin. I wasn't also able to vlog a lot sa may Donkey kasi medyo nasita tayo. So, I want to be respectful and try to abide by the rules naman nila. But, I'll show you kung ano yung mga napamili natin. Ayan, so we mostly got skincares. Ayan, may face mask for pasalubong, face wash for my sister, my mom, hand cream for my mom. Meron mga ilan-ilan na candies, meron din mga ref mag inside. Pero mostly skincare talaga yung pinunta namin sa Donkey. Here we go. Tapos we got itong pack ng Senka. This total to 7,050 yen. So okay din siya. Although we can't really open this until we get back to the Philippines. Gusto ko talaga yung gantong oras dito sa Dotonbori. Yung bago mag-sunset. Ang saya ng vibe. Iba yung dating niya. Cute ng shirts inside sa store na to, guys. Kung gusto niyo ng souvenir na hindi ganon ka in-your-face souvenir, then ito, guys. Cute. So kawaii. Guys, we saw another Matsumoto Kiyoshi. And dito mura yung mga Alfort. Like ito. Kanina nasa 100 plus to sa Don Quixote. Dito, tax-free, 88. Meron sila nitong vanilla. Tapos meron din ng strawberry. So, I guess dito na kami bibili. Ito, meron sila nitong kaninang gusto kong bilhin. Ito. 238 yen. Ito guys, yung baskets, kuha tayo. Yan. Kuha ako nito. And siguro, ito. And yung KitKat nila guys, relatively mas mura than the other stores. Probably will get some. Ayan, merong mga interesting flavors like itong milk tea. Of course, yung matcha. Meron din ito, oh, guys. Strawberry flavor. Kuha rin tayo nito. Ito guys, 98 yen or 37 pesos. Kuha ko ng 3 lang siguro. Ayan, para lang matry natin. Guys, naglalakad muna tayo pabalik ng hotel. Kasi, ang bigat ng mga dala namin. Ibababa muna natin to sa hotel. Tapos, we'll rest a bit, freshen up, go back to Dotonbori a little later. You know guys, we've been walking this way for like how many times already since we got here. But every time na maglalakad kami dito, I would see something different. Hindi ka mananawa talaga maglakad dito.
1 hour later.
We're here at the Dotonbori area. Tawid lang tayo. Tapos nandito na tayo sa Dotonbori Street ulit. Sinuot ko na yung scarf ko. Kasi lumamig na ulit. It has gone down, or the temp has gone down to 14, 13 degrees. Ito talaga, curious talaga ako sa restaurant na to. Kasi lagi mahaba yung pila. I'll show you guys. Ang daming tao dito guys. Kasi dito yung babaan ng mga tourist bus. Ayan yung mga bus guys. This is where they would stop to take the tourists to Dotonbori. I've been wanting to come to this area during nighttime. Ito yung kabilang side ng Dotonbori kung nasan tayo kanina. Tignan nyo. Ang ganda. Yan yung Dotonbori Arc. Ito yung kabilang side. Siguro, baka dito na lang siguro tayo sa Yoshinoya. Tama, since hindi pa natin natatry itong Yoshinoya, dito na lang. So, we'll go here for dinner. Beef and mackerel or beef and salmon. Ah, ito yung order ko. Beef and salmon for beef and salmon for 698 yen. Guys, here's our food. Have beef, grilled salmon, and the set we also have miso soup and rice. I want chili powder in my rice. By the way, guys, nag-add din pala kami ng curry, but sharing na lang dito since we just really wanted to try their curry also. Kasi amoy masarap siya. Ayan siya. Here's the beef.
What? No, it's beef.
Oh,
Beef curry.
salmon.
Beef no.
Yung beef dito sa set, guys, okay lang siya. Decent for the price. Pero yung salmon nila, guys, masarap din. Parang yung sa Sukiya. Let's try the curry. Sarap ng curry. Guys, tapos na tayo kumain. Ayan, kapag nakita niyo yung arc ng Dotonbori, guys, nandyan na yung Yoshinoya. If you're on a budget, okay na yung Yoshinoya. Masarap naman yung mga pagkain. Decent naman siya for the price. And nakakabusog. For set meal, meron ka ng carbs, meron ka ng 2 protein source, at saka meron ka pang soup, diba? So, pwede na. Right now, I'm just admiring the lights here. Magkabila yan. From here. Tapos, sa kabilang banda meron din. Diba? Ang ganda, guys. Ang ganda maglakad-lakad lang dito. Pakaganda dito. Yun ang masasabi ko. Alam kong bumili na tayo kanina nito, pero hindi ko pa siya natitikman. So, bibili tayo ng isa para lang matikman natin kung masarap talaga. So, 88 siya kung tax-free, pero kung hindi, 95. So, guys, nakabili na tayo. I'm trying it. Ito yung itsura ng Alfort sa loob. Taste test natin. Masarap yung Alfort, guys. May biscuit, tapos ito, or milk chocolate. Dito tayo ngayon sa cafe. This is called The Tour. Order lang tayo ng ice latte. Wala talaga kaming balak na mag-stop dito, pero kailangan namin mag-CR. So, upo muna kami dito. This ice latte is 530 yen. Nasa mo pa rin yung coffee, but it's also sweet, which I like. Yan yung Daughter Cafe, guys. Dito kami nagstay in front of ayan, Flava. Ayan, kung gusto niyo mag-CR and umupo saglit, this is where you can go. And mura lang naman din yung kape nila. Ayan, masarap yung salted caramel latte nila, guys. Try nyo din. Guys, gusto kong i-try yung tanghulu. Thank you. Yeah. I bought one tanghulu for 300 yen.
300円
Let's try it. Yan, guys. Finally, we'll get to try a tanghulu here. Dami actually. Nagulat naman ako for 300 yen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces. Pinili ko yung iba't ibang fruits. Meron sila din yung strawberry lang or parang grapes lang. Ito yung pinili ko para matry natin lahat. Sige. Let me try itong strawberry. Ang tamis talaga ng strawberry ng Japan, guys. Hindi siya overly sweet in my opinion. Mataas kasi yung tolerance ko sa sweet. Pero masarap siya, guys. Try nyo din to. 300 yen. So, I'll just finish this. Tapos, lakad ulit tayo. Guys, pumasok kami saglit dito sa C-Plus. Something reminiscent of Japan. Para souvenir na din siya, diba? But this is cute. Matcha ice cream. Look. Yeah, for 400 yen. Wala. Medyo nakaka-overwhelm yung choices, guys. Napakaraming gachapon. Oh, I think I want this. Wait, I'll show you. 300 yen. Either ito or itong may octopus sana. 100, 200, 300. There's our gacha. Oh, I got the octopus one! Yay! I'm so happy! Minuksan ko siya, guys. Kailangan pa siya i-assemble. So, hindi ko mapapakita sa inyo. But, yun nasa loob. Torigate siya. Tapos, merong accent nung octopus. Meron na akong gacha, which is also a souvenir. Yay! Guys, gusto kong tub ngayon. Kasi merong bathtub sa hotel. So, I picked up a bath ball. Tapos, ang cute ng bath balls nila kasi may mga characters. Kaya pala iba-iba yung presyo, guys. Kasi once na matunaw siya, pwedeng may character. So, para siyang, in a way, secret or blind box. Pero bath ball. Diba? It makes it fun. May Doraemon, may Shin-chan. Tapos, meron ding Pokemon. Excited na akong mag-tub mamaya. After a long day. Pila lang muna tayo dito, guys, para dun sa takoyaki nila. Takoyaki, it's freshly made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces for 600 yen. Ooh, do you guys see that? It's so hot. Feeling ko mapapaso yung dila ko. Parang hindi ko nag-gets yung lasa kasi ang init. It's okay, pero hindi kasi ako sanay nang wala yung usual na mayo and sweet sauce. So, I don't know how to feel about it. Pero yung mismong texture ng takoyaki, parang very creamy. For now, I guess that would be the end of my vlog. Pretty chill itinerary for today. Walking around Namba, Dotonbori area, shopping for pasalubong, and everything in between. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please make sure to give this a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!
Saw you soon